Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an online form here in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you're here, go for the upper right side of your screen. It has this Google app icon. Click that to see more of the applications and scroll down, then find Forms. Once you find it, tap it to open. The moment you click that, you'll be redirected here at the Google form. Make sure that you are being signed in. I mean, a Google account that you have is signed in here. In my case, I have already signed in mine. Okay? So as you can see here, it has this blank form, blank quiz, contact information, RSVP, party invitation, t-shirt signed up. And if you want to see more of this, then click the template gallery and it will show you a lot of categories or options that you can go to. It has this personal, work, and education category as well. Okay? And since we'll be making our own online Google form, then let's go with this blank form. Here in the untitled form, let's say for example, you can edit this actually. Let's say for example, let's go with ABC company. And then at the form description, you can go with personal details. Okay. Here in the titled question, you can go with name and the response would be short answer since I we are just asking the name here. Okay, you can actually choose a lot of responses here that you want to be respond. It has this multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, and more. Okay, and since again we are just asking the name, then let's go with short answer and then make this required. Why? Because whenever a person, fill up your online form, they will not skip this because it is in required. Okay, so how to add and another question? Just simply click this add icon, tap that, and it will appear another question that you can edit to. Okay, here let's go with gender. Okay, I am just showing an example on how to create an online form to completely show you how. Okay, so you can go with multiple choice here and let's go with option one, which is male. Option two, let's go with the suggested one, female, and make this required again. Okay, and you can add another question. Let's go with email, add, and make this in short answer and required again. And you can add another question again. Let's go with contact number and make this in short answer. Okay? So once you're done creating your online form, you can customize the theme as well as the colors by clicking this customize theme icon. Okay? The moment you click that, it has this text style which you can choose to. In the header, you can go with impact and it will be in impact text style. And the question, you can go with Nonito and it will be changed. Okay? You can also change the text style size. You can go with 24 or you can go with 23. And the question as well, you can go with 13 or just make it 12. Okay? Next to it is you can edit the header. You can choose an image here and you can select a lot of categories. Let's go with work and school, and let's scroll down to find a header that we like to. Okay, so let's go with this one and click on insert to change, and your header will be actually changed. Okay, you can also choose the color that you want. It has this preferred colors, and you can also choose another color. I mean, you can custom a color that you like to and click on add. Okay, once you're done with this theme, you just have to close this and click on publish to publish your form. Okay, then click on publish to proceed. Okay, so once you're done, it will say here published. You can also copy the link that where you want it to send to. Okay, just copy it and paste it anywhere. You can paste it in the messages or group chats where you want it to send. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy how to create an online form using this Google Forms. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.